Hello everyone, Jeremy here with Big Fish Aquarium Maintenance and Design, and we are back this time with another unboxing video, this time of the Fluval Nano Marine Spectrum LED light, and I am very excited about this thing. I think it's going to be small enough to fit in the hood so I can retrofit it on my Biocube that I have. In addition to that, it also comes with an app so you can control all the functions straight from your app, and timing and lights and intensity and all sorts of things. So I'm excited because of that. It also seems to be one of the cheaper options as far as name brand options go. So I'm excited. Let's get on with the unboxing and open it up, see what we think. All right. So here we go, right on top, instructions. Those are probably going to be come in handy when we go to set up all the functions and features on your app. It probably is like a QR code, yep, right down here. QR code so you can download that thing. Okay. Right out of the gate we have the actual light here. And just our single looks like kind of just like a standard power cord. I'm sure there's an adapter in here. It's not very big. I think it says on the package 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches, and it looks like it's only like 3/4 of an inch tall or so. So I think this is going to fit almost perfectly right inside of my Biocube hood. So that's pretty fantastic. Looks to be pretty solid, so that's fantastic as well. Let's see what else we have here. Here is the power adapter that plugs into this thing. Looks like it's bundled up here. Looks like it's a pretty long cord, so that's also handy. It's always nice to have a long enough cord to plug it in so you're not trying to fight with that. And then we have a couple things I don't think I'm going to use. Looks like the neck extension so you can mount the thing however you need to mount it, and then yeah, this is the adapter that mounts it to the back of the tank, which again I don't think I'm going to need. It doesn't look like it's very wide. That's the one thing that concerns me there. It looks like it's made for like a rimless tank, so luckily I'm not using it in that way. But if I did purchase this light and I was planning on putting it on a tank that has a rim around the top, it's probably not going to work because it's very narrow. It's definitely designed for a rimless tank. So keep that in mind if you decide you want to get this thing. It does have an option so you can actually, like if we put this in here, it looks like we can actually turn the light, which is pretty fancy. Not everybody has that. In fact, I don't know anybody that has that, but just be aware, this is not very wide here, so you're either going to have to modify your rim or use it on a rimless tank. Like I said, luckily, I'm not going to need that, so we're good to go. That's pretty much it. I'm excited to get this thing put together, and I will probably shoot a video of me figuring out how to do that. So stay tuned for more videos, and look forward to seeing you until then.